How to connect your Google Calendar with other apps. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, there are two methods to easily, or to be precise, there is three methods to connect Google Calendar with other apps. The first one is automatic signing in. That is, open the other application, example Apple, Calendar, Outlook, Todoist, such. Then look for an option to add or connect a new account. Select sign in with Google or connect Google Calendar and follow the on-screen instructions to grant permission to Google account. The second is using an iCal feed. Go to Google Calendar on your web browser, however, so you'll have to head over to web browser. Then find the calendar you want to connect, click the three vertical dots to the right of the name and select settings and sharing. Then scroll down to the integrate calendar section, copy the secret address in iCal format link, open the other application, example Outlook, and find its option to add a calendar from a web URL or subscribe from a web link. Now on a mobile, on Android or iOS, you can head over to your device settings. So head over to your device settings, and then from here you can head over to, so you want to head over and proceed to sign in to the calendars using your Google account, and make sure the calendars toggle is enabled and you have given full access as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.